Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a IPSY Plus unboxing. So here's my box. It hasn't been opened, it hasn't been tampered with, so we're going to open it together. Alright, let's see. Ooh, it says discover yourself. So I'm just going to pull a random, well actually I think, yeah, here's a card. Cool. Cute little card. Got glow on the front, some cool little shapes there. Alright, so the first item it feels like a palette. Ooh. So the first item is this Nomad Sydney Bathers palette. Special edition IPSY, not for sale. Judging from the packaging, it looks like it's going to be like a face palette. Ooh, so pretty. So this is just what the front of the package looks like. Super cool. We have some warm tones and we have some gold. So let's open her up. Wow. So this is what the inside of the palette looks like. It looks like we have 3 shimmer shades. We have a pretty pink, we have a lighter bronze, and a darker, more warmer bronze, as well as a bronzer it looks like. Sadly though, it looks like it was limited edition only for the IPSY. So I'm sorry guys if you guys were interested in this palette. It looks like it was only limited edition. Right, let's see what we have next. Alright, so next we have a bag. It's a cute little kind of ombre bag, blue into yellow. I have so many bags, but I will have to make do or find someone I can give this to, or probably save it for a giveaway. And then it does have a cute little tassel on there, and then the inside of the bag is all like confetti-like. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that, but that's super cute. I kind of wish they would have thrown the confetti on the outside. Alright, I'm digging my hand in. Alright, so looks like we have a item from Tarte, the Sugar Rush collection. This is a velvet liquid lipstick in the shade Cupcake. Ooh. The packaging of this feels really soft and matte. I don't think I've tried any of the liquid lipsticks from the Sugar Rush Tarte collection, so let's swatch her. Ooh, she actually swatches really nice and kind of like buttery. I thought it was going to be more pinky, but it's kind of like a warmer peach shade, like a darker peach shade. But it actually looks really pretty. I'm definitely going to give this a shot, especially when I get a little tanner. It feels really nice and soft. I feel like it's going to feel so nice on the actual lips. Alright, let's see what we have next. Ooh, so we have looks like a mascara from Beauty For Real. It's their high def defining volumizing mascara. I was obsessed with their just regular liner, black liner for a while. I was like obsessed with it. Really, really nice and glided on so well. Never got on my contacts, which is a plus. But I did run out of that and I just never stocked it. This is just what the packaging looks like. Soft black with their logo. What? Wow. So I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's very, very short and it just kind of has like little plastic stubs. So what I think this is going to be nice is to really get into your lashes, like close to your lash line, and really lift the lashes, and it's going to be perfect for the bottom lashes. So I'm actually excited to try this out and see how well it works. Here's just a close-up of the wand. Alright, let's see what we have next. Okay, so we have a mud mask, it looks like. So it's Mud Masky. It's an after mask vitamin serum. It says pH balanced, extra smoothing, anti-aging, feeding, protecting, and nourishing. So it's not even a mask at all, it's just a serum, vitamin serum. So I'm gonna have to try this out. It says you can wear it at night or during the day. So that's awesome. I'm gonna have to try this soon. Alright, it feels like, yeah, it feels like this is the last item. Let's see. Ooh. So we have a eyeshadow palette from Colored Raine, which I've always wanted to try their products. I've heard really, really good things about their liquid lipsticks as well as their palettes. This is called the Mimosa Moment palette. So the packaging is just, it looks just a plain white, and it has the colored Raine logo in gold on the front. Ooh, a neutral. Looks like a neutral palette. Oh, these are so pretty. I feel like it's really good for travel. It's really compact, has a lot of neutrals, and it also has some shades for like highlighting the brow or the inner corner. So I feel like this is good for like everyday looks, and it's going to be really nice to travel with. So I do want to swatch some of these just to see how they perform. I'm going to go into this shade. Oh, that already looks so nice on my fingers. We're going to go into this shade. Oh, it feels really nice and soft against my fingertip. And then this one. Wow. That shade is so pigmented. Oh, the matte's actually really nice too. I'm going to swatch the shade down here. Oh, that's like butter. So hopefully you guys can see the shades that I just swatched. Super nice. They went on really well, so I'm excited to see how they perform on the lid. Very, very pretty, and it seems they're kind of like buttery. Alright, so that was everything. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until my next one. Bye!